Ever noticed how customers add an item to their cart, but stop short of exploring more products from your store? That missed opportunity can cost you valuable sales. That's why we built Crucials, the all-in-one BigCommerce app with over 30 tools to help you sell more, including the powerful cross-sell feature. To get started, just search for Crucials on the BigCommerce App Store and install it in a few clicks. Once you've installed Crucials, you'll find all the available tools in the sidebar, making it easy to browse and switch between them. Head over to the Cross-Sell app and enable it in just one click. Next, create a new cross-sell campaign. Choose which products to recommend when a customer views or adds an item to their cart. You can highlight complementary items, bestsellers, or even higher value alternatives. Once you're happy, hit save and check it out live. Now, your customers will see smart product suggestions at just the right time, encouraging them to add more to their cart. Cross-sell is just one of over 30 tools in Crucials designed to boost sales and improve your BigCommerce store. Try it today and see the difference.